Hi guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you the increment and decrement. So first of all, what is the increment and decrement? Increment is just like to increase a value. When we increase a value, like if we increase 1 to 3, so it will be an increment. And if we decrease a value 5 to 4, 3 or to 1, 0, then it will be a decrement. So decrement is just decreasing a value, increment is just about increasing a value. And first of all, I'm going to tell you about the increment operator. Here is plus plus, two plus signs are used as a increment operator, and minus minus signs, two minus signs is used as a decrement operator. First of all, we will discuss the increment operator. There are two types of increment operator. First is pre, second is post. So first of all, what is the pre-increment? In the pre-increment, first of all, the value is increased. Then we can use the value wherever we want, in wherever we use it in the operations or in the printing it or in the output, wherever we want. Here is, I'm gonna create variable like this, and now here is div, and here is dot text, and in between this we have to write our variable name. Now I'm going to do the pre-increment. So what is the pre-increment? I have already tell you. In the pre-increment, first of all, we will increase the value and then we will use it wherever we want. So here we are using the value in printing in this statement. So first of all, it will increase. So whenever we want to increase the value by using the pre-increment, so we have to add the increment operator. This is the operator at the before the variable name. Here you see that when we add this increment operator before the variable name, so now it is going to be a pre-increment. And save it, and let's, here you see that it is 10 because it is 9, so it is increased by 1. Here you see that first it will be increased and then it is used, so it is 10, the new value is used. And this is the pre-increment. Here I'm going to write about it. Here is pre-increment. In the pre-increment, first value increase, then use. And now I'm going to tell you about the post increment. That is the second type. In the post increment, what is going to happen? First of all, we can use the value, and then we can the value will be increased. Here is, I'm gonna edit it. In the post increment, first of all, value will be printed and then it is incremented. First value print, first value use, you can say that variable we use, and then increment. So now increase, here is increase, you can say that it is more efficient. And in the post increment, you have to write the increment operator after the variable name. This is the post increment. And now here I'm gonna comment it. Here is comment it, and here you see that it is 9. The value is still 9 because this x have the value 9. So first its value is used and then it is increased. So now the value of the x is 10, but it is printed before it is increased. So now here I'm gonna print the value of x again. So now it is 10 because first of all it is printed, then it is increased, and then we have printing it. Here you see that it is 10 because it is increased after printing. So this is the pre and post increment. And now I'm going to discuss the decrement. In the decrement, the value decrease by 1. Here you see that in the increment, value increased by 1, and in the decrement value decreased by 1. And here is, I'm gonna comment both of these, and here first of all I'm gonna copy this statement because the concept is same. Here is just value decrease. There are two types of decrement. First is pre-decrement, here pre-decrement and post-decrement, and the rules are same. In the pre-decrement we have to write the decrement operator before the variable name, and here is, you see that first it will decrease the value and then use it wherever it needs. So the 9 is become 8, and in this way here is the post decrement. In the post decrement, first the value will be used where we need it, and then it is decrease. And here is first value use and then decrease. Here is decrease, and here is alert, here is X, and here is, let's refresh it. Here you see that it is 9. The 9 value, first it will, this statement will print 9 value and then decrease it, and then this, in the alert statement we have print the X, so it will be 8. So these are just the same things. If you have any problems, so kindly add the discussion. I will help you as much as I can. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.